So we jump into the 3-week technicals for gold. So if we have a look on the monthly, there's a big wick to the upside on the monthly. We're still showing bullish structure on still trading above the 2K area as well on gold. But if we look at this monthly candle, we've still got 17 days to go till closure, but we are seeing this big wick to the upside. So we're starting to, on the monthly, we're starting to run out of momentum to the upside. So if we go down into the weekly, we can analyze that a bit further. Once again, if we look at these wicks, all these wicks to the upside, just showing us that we have had a lot of bullish momentum on gold, but now we're starting to see from these wicks that the sellers are starting to bring the price back down, and we're running out of bullish momentum. But we are still maintaining above the 2K range and above this weekly structure point at 2007, leaving us a wick as well at that area. So still bullish on, still nice clean bullish structure on the weekly. We have retested this previous weekly structure point and then prices pulled back up, but not by much. I'd like to see if we go down into the dailies. From the daily, we have turned bearish on the daily structure. So we've been maintaining this high and low, but now we've just broke down, come back up to retest that, and left that with potentially showing that. But it is a bit of an indecision candle. That previous daily candle is an indecision one, showing us that we've got a wick to the upside, a wick to the downside. So price is indecisive at the minute. And as you can see, we're trading in between these two weekly structure points. As you can see, we're creating a little bit of a range within those two structure points. So at the minute, I'd like, it's a bit choppy on gold at the minute, but as I mentioned here, I'd like to see price retrace to the 1980 area and establish support to look for buys. So I'd like to see I'd like to see price establish support around this area. Also, we've got this trend line which has been playing out for the last. So if we look at this trend line, price has been respecting that trend line on the way up. So a pullback into potentially this weekly structure point. We could look for buys if price could maintain support there. But I'd like to see price retrace to 1980, establish support and look for buys, or if price can break and retest 2016,850, this area mentioned here. If price can break above established support, then we could look for buys above here. But once again, we are waiting for fundamentals on Wednesday. So I'm predicting sideways action, sort of trading in this range between 2025 and 2007. So just waiting on fundamentals this week, but they're the areas I'd like to see gold breakthrough. Yes. Should we go on to the next one? Yes. So yeah, so they're the areas on gold. We jump into